In this video, I am going to show you how to send voice messages on Discord. The most recent feature added to Discord for users or gamers on mobile devices is voice messages. You can record, send, and play recordings with this capability, just like with any other voice messaging features on DMS, group messages, or other platforms. You can utilize these recordings to mock your friends or send amusing voice memos. But how can these audio recordings be sent or recorded? First, you need to log in to your Discord account. Tap these three lines here and then go to chats or direct messages and then type the search icon and then type general. Click this one here. Okay, so once you're here, it will take you directly to this one. Now, all you have to do here is to find a friend, look for a friend on your Discord, and then kindly go to the chat box. Let's just say to send voice messages, you need to click the microphone. Okay, so that's how you send voice messages to your friend. So, yes, it's right next to the chat input box. There is a microphone button that you should press and keep on until you're finished recording your message. Release the button once finished to send the message. It's easy as that. Now, once done, you can go back to your Discord or you can listen to your voice message and delete if you want. You can also add more voice message. All you have to do is to tap again, hold the microphone, and release once you're finished. And that's how easy it is to send voice messages on Discord. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.